kings of Tibet. I've learned about Tibetan calligraphy and Tibetan language and sentence formation, Tibetan grammar. We've also went on many important field trips, such as visiting the TTA, going to the Tibet Museum, visiting Summer. And recently we went to other TCV schools and practiced and performed. And it's been really fun. I've learned a lot about Tibetan culture, Tibetan identity, just being a Tibetan person. I've learned a lot from, living at the Kizangs, being with the students here in TCV, Upper TCV, and it's been really fun here, I think. Of course, naturally there will be ups and there will be downs, and obviously there was times of stress and confusion, because obviously not everything will be perfect, but I think just being here and meeting all of these people, in the school and in summer school, and the Kizang Onlas and the Gelas and everyone, has been really important for me. Just talking with people in my Kizang has not only just helped me improve my Tibetan skills, even if just a little bit, but it's also just, I've made many new friends here, and I think it's really special that even though being from Chige, there's a large disconnect, I feel sometimes, between your Tibetan identity and your Tibetan culture. But being here when you're surrounded with other Tibetan students, when you have people here who understand and share the Tibetan identity, that even if sometimes it feels like in America where I live, there's only a couple of hundred Tibetans in my state, and even though sometimes it can kind of feel like you're underrepresented, that your Tibetan identity isn't really valid because you don't really know how to speak the language, or you don't know everything about being Tibetan, the philosophy, or you don't know all of the history. I think just being here surrounded by everyone, all of my friends, my wonderful Kizang and just all the Gelas, and being surrounded by Tibetan culture, it's just been really helpful. It's reassured me that my Tibetan identity, even if I don't understand everything about being Tibetan, even if I don't understand everything about Tibetan Buddhism, if I don't understand everything about history, it's still a valid identity to feel Tibetan, and I don't have to feel that I'm not Tibetan enough, or that I'm not valid as Tibetan because I might not know everything about the language. So I'm really grateful for all the people at TCV Summer Camp. I'm really grateful for all the Gelas who have come with us in class and have come with us through field trips. I'm just really grateful to my Kizang mates, my Kizang Onlavala, and I'm just very happy that we all were here and we got through with summer school. Even if all of us weren't here for the entire time, even if some of us left, I'm just really glad that I was here to make new friends and form new connections and learn with everyone.